Hey, what's up, my tech enthusiasts? Is your iPhone feeling a bit too hot to handle? Well, don't sweat it because we got you covered. Let's dive into what you can do if your iPhone starts to overheat.
First, let's identify the problem. How do you know if your iPhone is overheating? Well, your iPhone may display a temperature warning screen, or it might just feel hot to the touch.
So, what's the next step? First, we're going to start simple. If your iPhone is overheating, stop doing any intensive activities. This could include playing any kind of high-end gaming or using your GPS or even just recording a high-def 4K video.
Also, if you're using a case, take it off while your iPhone cools down. You should also close any unnecessary apps. Here's how you do it. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. Swipe right or left to find the app that you want to close. Then, swipe up on the app's preview to close it.
Still no good? All right. Let's try a few more things. We're going to try to turn off the background app refresh by navigating to your settings, general, background app refresh, hit background app refresh again at the top, and then select off to turn everything off. This will prevent apps from updating in the background, which can cause overheating. You can just turn it back on again when your phone is in a cooler state.
Next, let's try disabling motion. Open the Settings app, tap on Accessibility, then tap on Motion, and turn on Reduce Motion. Keep in mind that disabling motion will prevent your wallpaper from moving or animating. You will also disable other motion effects in iOS 16, such as the parallax effect on the home screen and lock screen, but you can always just re-enable motion after your phone has cooled down, so no need to worry.
Also avoid any direct sunlight. iPhones can overheat if they're left in the sun or in a hot car for too long, especially on a hot summer day. So make sure your phone is in a cool place or a shaded place.
If your iPhone continues to overheat, you might need to reset all settings. To do that, you'll need to open the Settings app. Tap on General, then on Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted, then tap on Reset again to confirm.
So this will reset all your settings, including the network settings, your keyboard dictionary, location settings, privacy settings, and even the Apple Pay cards. Your app data, however, will not be affected.
And if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Persistent overheating could be a sign of a hardware problem.
And remember, you can always reach out to Apple support via the email that's in the description of this video.
You can also contact Apple support by phone or chat. When you contact Apple support, be sure to have your Apple ID and serial number ready. This will help the representative to assist you more quickly.
Also, here are some tips when dealing with Apple support so you don't end up being even more frustrated than you probably already are.
First, be as specific as possible about the problem you are having. Provide the Apple ID and serial number for the device you are having problems with. Be sure to mention the steps you've already taken to the representative.
All right, folks, that's going to be a wrap. Remember, an overheating iPhone is not something to ignore. Start simple with solutions like stopping intensive activities, removing the case, closing any unnecessary applications. If needed, dive into the settings and adjust things like turning off the background app refresh or disabling motion. And remember to keep your iPhone out of direct sunlight and in a cool place. If all else fails, do not hesitate to reset your settings and reach out to Apple support. Keep your iPhone cool and your tech life hopefully hassle-free.
We hope these steps help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, stay cool, and stay tuned for more tech insights.